All right, guys, this is the DEWALT Toughsystem 2.0 dual charger and storage bin. This is a great addition to the Toughsystem 2.0. You don't even need to have the Toughsystem. This is just a great addition if you use DEWALT tools. Inside here, you have two 4-amp chargers. You got a fan in the middle, indicator lights right here. You got kind of like your little instruction sheet here. You have a USB-A charger down here, and this will work even when you're charging these batteries here. The lid will stay open right here. You've got this piece, and you have to lift it to close it. So you want to lift it and then close it. But once you open it, it will stay open on you. It's not going to fall. You can easily have 2 batteries in here. Now, DEWALT says you can store up to 12 batteries in here. I mean, that's going to vary a little bit based on the size. If you're using the flex batteries, you may not be able to hold as many. Down here, you have your spot for your flex connect here. And if you're unfamiliar with that, that just adds some Bluetooth capabilities, kind of tracking the box, stuff like that. So you've got your USB-A here. And then on the back here, we have our USB-C, and that's got a little rubber cover here, so you can close that up. Here you have a 6-foot cord. On the top here, we've got 2 indicators, and that is because we can have this lid closed when the batteries are charging. Whenever the batteries are charging, this fan will run. And if the lid is closed, that's what's going to stop it from overheating. So it is nice that we can actually have that closed. So if you're on a job site or maybe you're going home for the night, plug this in. You can let this thing charge, close it up. You can lock it here if you need to. Let's go ahead and plug this in and kind of show you how it works. All right, so now we got it plugged in. You'll notice there's no batteries in here, so the fan's not running. It's not loud or anything like that. If we open it up, you'll see there's no indicator lights, anything like that. But we can go ahead and take a battery here that needs to be charged. We'll go ahead and plug that in, and now you'll hear the fan start going. We'll go ahead and plug another one in over here. And you'll see the indicator lights. So both those need to be charged. The fan is running. You can go ahead and lift this, close it. You hear the fan a little bit. It's pretty muffled in here. You'll see the indicator lights, which is nice. And again, if you did leave this overnight, once these are fully charged, the fan will shut off. So for example, I'll go ahead and put a full battery in here, and I'll show you how that works. Go ahead and pull these out. You have to pull that clip, pull this down, slide it out. You'll see the fan shuts off. Now I've got a full battery here, and you'll see the fan does not shut on. The fan does not turn on. It's full battery. If I close this, I'll see the indicator light is full, and the fan is not running. Now, kind of add what I was saying before. We can add this to the tower pretty easily. Again, this is a half box, so we're going to flip this little piece up right here. Slide this down under that and just push down, and then you'll see and you can see now that it does lock on the side. Again, you can easily remove it. But right there, it locks in place. Honestly, just a great addition to the Toughsystem 2.0 tower.